Okay, so here are the paper airplanes of months that I make. 5 of them. We're gonna make what is it? 7 more paper airplanes of months. We're gonna show how it appears. And to be honest with you, here are all the months. January 2025, which is the first month, and the new year is literally New Year's Eve. In February, who looks like she's celebrating Valentine's Day, which is good because Valentine's Day is in February 14th, 2025. In March here is the third month after January and February, and the St. Patrick's Day holiday is literally on March 17, 2025. Wow. We have April next. April is, well, a trickster who playing a prank at somebody at April 1st and also celebrates Easter also in April. And last, we have May. May is a fifth month, and holiday is Cinco de Mayo, and Mother's Day is in 11th of May, 2025. Good job, May. Here are all 5 months, so let me show you 7 more months. Here's June 2025 that I made. Looks like he is, well, 6 month and also a summer month. Unlike July, July's fireworks. I mean, Independence Day was a 4th of July itself from July 2025, I guess. Well, here's June, though. June is a summer boy. I mean, summer month. Which is good because no school on summer. Never going to the school on summer, folks. That's June. And speaking of July, here he is. Here's July, the 7th month, which also is a summer like June, but also an Independence Day, which is 4th of July, is in July 4th, 2025. Yeah, 2025. So here's July. Thanks for watching the fireworks in July 4th, folks. That's July. Now here's August. August is an 8th month of 2025, where I was born in August 13, 2007, which is like 18 years ago. So yeah, this is August, but August has no holiday. Wow, August has no holiday. That was really upsetting. Here's September. This is the 9th month of 2025. She is a 30-day full, and Labor Day is in September 1st, 2025, and nothing else. Just one main holiday, and it's Labor Day. Thank you for celebrating Labor Day on September. So that's September, folks. Here's October, which is Halloween themed. October loves Halloween, folks. This is also 2025, and October itself. Halloween is in the last day of October, which is always in October 31st. So that's October, guys. October, the Halloween month. Here is November 2025, which is a Thanksgiving holiday and also Black Friday. This November has many holidays. November is where autumn falls in Thanksgiving season. So that's November. Good job. So you're going to comment on how to celebrate Thanksgiving on November and what you're thankful for. Please say that on November 28th, 2025. So that's November, guys. Be thankful on Thanksgiving, folks. And also shopping on Black Friday. And last but certainly not least, here is December. December is the last and 12th month of this year, 2025. We celebrate Christmas Eve in December 2025. But one little upset. There are no snow in our world. So we're gonna have to wait for snow to get in December. So Santa Claus is bringing out presents in December to little kids who are really nice. If Santa give you presents, which means you are nice. If Santa don't give you presents, so that means you are naughty. And also the Grinch will be coming at night to take away all of the presents for this year, and Santa will have to catch Grinch and give those presents back under the Christmas tree. So yeah, that is December, the final month of this year. And that's it for the airplanes of months 2025. We now have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Sorry guys, December does not belong near October. November, and finally December. That's that for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.